Setting up automatic monthly stock purchases on Robinhood can help you invest consistently without having to remember to make purchases manually. Follow these steps to set up your automatic investments. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the stock you want to purchase. Use the search function to find the stock you wish to invest in. Once you locate the stock, tap on it to view its details. Step 3. Select Buy. On the stock's detail page, look for the Buy button and tap it. This will take you to the purchase screen where you can specify the amount you want to invest. Step 4. Set up recurring investments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Review and confirm. Carefully review your settings, including the stock, investment amount, and frequency. Once everything looks correct, confirm your setup to activate the automatic monthly purchases. By following these steps, you can easily set up automatic monthly stock purchases on Robinhood, allowing you to invest regularly and build your portfolio over time.